These 8 graphic design trends will dominate 2023. 1. Minimal vintage. It is a minimalist graphic design trend that adopts vintage design styles from the 20th century. However, this trend isn't about making things look immediately retro or vintage. Instead, a subtly chosen color palette or typeface can give a sense of design style from a particular decade. 2. Photographic branding. In 2023, branding trends will focus on photography, which can easily convert to motion video for advertising and social media. However, more brands expect to incorporate illustrations, hand-drawn elements, and 3D graphics into photographs to create a more surreal or playful aesthetic. 3. Sans serifs are back. While serif typefaces have long dominated the design world, sans serif fonts are on the rise, led by graphic designers, minimalists, and web designers who care about accessibility. Sans serifs create a clean aesthetic and minimalist style in branding, packaging, and print media, but also improve legibility and accessibility on apps and websites. 4. Elegant colors. Graphic designers are encouraged to be more creative and open with colors in 2023. There is something infinitely more elegant, sensual, and tonal about the new jewel colors. Colors inspired by 1930s palettes like rich crimson, burnt orange, forest green, and powdery lavender evoke a sense of coziness and indulgence, making them the ideal match for high-end branding or luxury packaging. 5. Distorted typefaces. Featuring knotted typography and stretched letters, this trend is sure to make an impact in 2023. It will trigger the viewers to take another glance, bringing the metaverse reality and distorted perspective trends into your designs. 6. Liquid gradients. If you're looking for something glossy, oily, or elegant with an artistic texture, liquid gradients feel more natural compared to standard blended gradients, and work perfectly across static and animated content. You can add these creative color effects to packaging and backgrounds, or use them as a sci-fi twist in logos and websites. 7. Metaverse. 2023 will see the creation of an imaginative interpretation of the metaverse that features futuristic styling, including stylized sci-fi typography, 3D avatar, and matrix-style black and neon color schemes. Use glitch-style photography to create an atmospheric, deep fake mood, or darken designs, for print and websites, to make them feel more virtually immersive. 8. Data visualization. Information consumption continues to grow yearly, so people need to quickly understand the information presented to them. Over the years, infographics have proven to be an effective way of conveying information. In business, there's an increasing trend toward creating more engaging and interesting data visualizations. Infographics should be inclusive for everyone, and designers must observe best practices regarding text display, color contrast, structure, and more. With these graphic design trends for 2023, artists can produce innovative, trendy, and modern work. The year ahead will likely bring futuristic design trends, experimentation, and new elements to the graphic design world. For more design and Photoshop tips and trends, please like and subscribe. Thank you.